Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a case law decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Important points are there. Number one, whether CISF is police or not. Answer is no. Whether police can do moral policing? No. We are seeing the trouble in Iran. They can't do moral policing. These 2 points are covered in this case. Central Industrial Security Force and others. The case you can read as CISF and others versus Santosh Kumar Pandey. In civil appeal number 8671 by 2015, decided by 2 judges bench, Honorable Justice Sanjeev Khanna and J.K. Maheshwari on 16th December 2022, holding that police are not required to do moral policing. So therefore, the dismissal of CISF Constable Santosh Kumar Pandey, who harassed a couple in the midnight, yes, is 100% upheld. Normally, while I was working in Chirala, I had the bitter experiences. చీరాల అనేది సముద్ర తీరాలు ఉంటుంది, వాటర్ ఏమంటారు అక్కడ. సరే, ఇల్లీగల్ కాంటాక్ట్ లేకపోతే లవర్స్, రకరకాల కపుల్స్, మగపిల్లాడు ఆడపిల్ల వెళితే అక్కడ లోకల్ రౌడీలు లేకుంటే క్రిమినల్స్ వాళ్ళని ఆపి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర డబ్బులు లాక్కొని అంతవరకైతే పర్వాలేదు. కొంతమంది పోలీసులు కూడా ఆ పిల్లని పక్కకి తీసుకెళ్ళి సెక్షువల్ యాక్ట్ కమిట్ చేసి వదిలేటువంటి సంఘటనలు జరుగుతూ ఉండే. తెలిసి వెంటనే వెళ్తే వాళ్ళు బోట్లో దాదాపు 3-4 కిలోమీటర్లు సముద్రంలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయారు. వాళ్ళ పట్టుకురావడం జరిగింది. సో ఇలాంటి సంఘటనలు సముద్ర తీరాల్లో జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఎక్కడైనా ఒంటరిగా ఒక ఆడ మగ కలిస్తే పోలీసులు చెంట పెడితే అయిపోయినట్టే. ఇక్కడ పోలీస్ కాదండి, ఈజ్ అ CISF కానిస్టేబుల్. నౌ కమింగ్ టు ది ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కేస్. This Santosh Kumar Pandey is working as constable in CISF and he was posted to Green Belt area of IPCL Township, Vadodara. Means Baroda. IPCL Township, Vadodara. He was posted in the Green Belt area. You may know Green Belt. And suppose main road is there, the colony is there. In between area ni Green Belt అంటారు. అంటే అక్కడ చెట్లు మాత్రమే పెంచాలి. మనం ఒంగోలులో చూస్తుంటాం, అక్కడ చెట్లు కాదు కదా, ఇల్లు కూడా వచ్చేసినాయి రామనగర్ ఏరియాలో. దట్స్ వాట్ కాల్డ్ గ్రీన్ బెల్ట్. సో హీ వాజ్ పోస్టెడ్ యాజ్ ఎ సెంట్రీ ఇన్ ద పర్టికులర్ ఏరియా. సో ఆన్ ది ఇంటర్వీనింగ్ నైట్ ఆఫ్ 26/27/10/2000 I think 2021. సో ఇన్ అక్టోబర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూనింగ్ నైట్ తెలుసు కదా, అర్ధరాత్రి 26 రాత్రి అనమాట. సరే, టు బి ఫ్రాంక్, టు బి ప్రిసైజ్. So a couple were found in at about 1 a.m. Mr. Mahesh Chaudhury and his fiancee, and his fiancee, they were found on a motorcycle in the IPCL Township, particularly in the Green Belt area. అందుకే మీకు వీళ్ళు ఉండవు కాబట్టి, సో చెట్లు ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. దే వర్ ఫౌండ్ అనే మోటార్ రైట్. దెన్ ఇమీడియట్లీ యాజ్ ఎ కానిస్టేబుల్ CISF పంజాబ్ పోలీస్ కదా, హీ accosted them. ఎవర్రా మీరు అన్నాడు. దెన్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పుకోలేదు, సరిగ్గా సమాధానం చెప్పలేదు కదా. దెన్ హీ chastised them అండ్ అల్టిమేట్గా మీరెవరు అది ఇది అన్నారు. అల్టిమేట్లీ సో ఐమని కొంచెం పక్క ఐ వాంట్ టు స్పెండ్ టైమ్ విత్ హర్ అని చెప్పి దిస్ ఫెలో హ్యాస్ పుట్ ఫోర్త్ ది అన్లాఫుల్ డిమాండ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యావింగ్ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ హర్, ఫర్ విచ్ దట్ డినైడ్ Mahesh Chaudhury. Ultimately, he tried he has corrupt activity. He has given his the so-called wristwatch, costly watch. He has given the wristwatch, has bribed the constable and went away. Right? సహజంగా ఇలాంటప్పుడు నార్మల్లీ దే డోంట్ రిపోర్ట్, కుక్కని పేరులా ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇన్సిడెంట్లీ Mahesh Chaudhury got courage and he has reported the matter to the higher officials of the CISF. What చుట్టాలు ఎవరితో మొత్తాన్ని పోయి చెప్పారు. They take it very seriously. Suppose if you had found them in so-and-so position, you would have reported the commandant in charge, or you should have handed over them to the local police so that they could have taken action. He has done nothing, simply has collected the watch and led them away. So an inquiry was initiated. In the inquiry, it was clearly established that yes, he has received the watch, and incidentally, he has returned the watch also later. So now, basing on the inquiry report, the CASF department, they suspended him first and later they dismissed him from service. Basing on the report given by Mr. Mahesh Chaudhury on 27, 2021, so the officers conducted an inquiry and it was proved he was dismissed from service. Okay, then he filed an appeal. Keep quiet. Definitely he'll file an appeal. So Gujarat High Court considered to have taken a lenient view and asked his reinstatement. Why? Because this man, Mahesh Chaudhury, he told he has filed an affidavit in the High Court stating that the issue settled. That man has given back the so-called wristwatch and he felt sorry. And if they wanted to pursue the case, then it will be shame for the family. And saying so, he does not want to pursue the matter. So, basing on the evidence, yes. So, maybe whatever reasons, but High Court is satisfied with the affidavit and they said reinstate him and give him all the salaries. Then now the CASF has gone in appeal before the Supreme Court. So please remember, here Supreme Court, the words of the Supreme Court are more important. A holistic and pragmatic approach is required in such cases. Number one, he is after all, he is a CASF constable. His duty is, no doubt, to check the area. If any person is found, his duty is to hand over him to the concerned police station because he is not police. CASF constable is not police as defined in the CRPC. Number two, he has no business to conduct the moral policing. So even police are also, they are not supposed to do moral policing. You have seen the incidents in Iran. So in Iran, the moral police asked one woman to wear the so-called hijab, for which she refused. Ultimately, she was given the so-called classes of moral policing, as a result of which she died. Lot of commotion was there. Particularly on this February 14th, Valentine's Day, you may be seeing moral policing by this Bajrang Dal activists. This is not allowed. So with these 2 points, and incidentally, before the High Court, this woman, during the time of the inquiry, she stated that she was not harassed by this constable. Actually, he asked the Manoj Pandey that he wanted to spend some time with her, for which this man appealed and he has given his wristwatch. But she gave it and she saw Mahesh Chaudhury handing over his watch or giving his watch to so and so Santosh Kumar Pandey. This is definitely a corrupt activity. So the Supreme Court has taken it very seriously. So therefore, they held that the departmental action, the Supreme Court upheld the departmental action of dismissing him from service. So with this, I am concluding. Very good case. So discipline force. So in this case, you have learned the 2 points. CSF is not police and police are not expected to do moral policing. Thank you.